Alright guys, I wanted to make this video before the holiday, before the Christmas break, but I couldn't because I didn't read this and everything. Grade 8, you guys know what the mean is, and I think all of you should know what the mean is, right? Is the sum of all the elements of a list divided by the number of elements in such list. So I have created this tiny list here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that the mean should be the number in between 2 and 3, exactly in the middle, 2.5. Now, the thing is that in the future, if you end up becoming a data analyst, you will not have to build a function. You could import a very famous library called NumPy, and you import it as NP by convention. And then what you do is you do min equals, I think it goes np.min, you say it's blue, is built in, and then you pass in the list, the name of the list. It could be list, it could be data. But you're telling the computer you're telling NumPy to find the mean of this array. Now in this case it's very easy because it's only 4 elements, but imagine you were dealing with, I don't know, bank accounts, and then it was like thousands of digits. Then this would simplify your job, and then you print the mean and it should return 2.5, you see? But this channel is not for you guys to, it's for you guys to build functions using mathematical reasoning. So we are not going to use NumPy. We're going to build the logic behind the mean, which is fairly simple, I think. Basically, we've got data. Let's keep it that name. And then we're going to build a function, a variable called mean, which will be the sum of our data. I think it's capital sum. Could that be? Divided by the length of our data. And I am starting to doubt that is capitals. I think this should work. So basically you get the sum of all the elements in data, which is this list, and you divide it by the length. The length is the number of elements, in this case 4, right? So we should get 10 divided by 4. Let's see if it works. Print min 2.5. Boom, it works. Now you can make your list much longer. It doesn't have to be in order. You can keep adding more elements, and then it should work anyway. Now it's 6.15 and a bunch of decimals. Cool. So this is how you find the mean of a list or a data set. Okay. Yep.